Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala Sayyidina Maulana Muhammadin wa sallim. Uh, this video is unlike my other videos. It discusses the term project on the subject CE 561, that Urban Mass Transportation Planning that I'm teaching. Uh, you can say it is specific, but it is very general that why these type of projects are being assigned and what are the objectives and how generally what I have defined in this presentation is about the submission. The submission, irrespective of any, this is an educational submission. So irrespective of uh, what uh, level you are submitting your report, it is very important and pertinent to know what should be there in the report. This guides the student, and I think this is a moral obligation of a teacher as well, instructor as well, to uh, ask student in the beginning what should be submitted. So there is no confusion, and student must have focus on the specific contents of the report. So let's see why this term project is assigned to the student of urban mass transportation. One of the objective is, this is understanding a public transportation system uh, to familiarize students with the functioning and importance of BR systems at a public transportation model, uh, provide them insights to urban mobility challenges and how our BRT systems addresses issues such as congestion and pollution. This project has an objective that it encourage research and data analysis in following ways: help students develop the ability to research and analyze transportation data, including ridership numbers, traffic flow patterns, and environmental impacts. It also encourages the use of real-world data, case studies, and empirical analysis to evaluate the performance of BR system. This term project will help students in application for urban planning and design concepts. Since majority of the student in this group belongs to urban planning, so it will allow students to apply urban planning, transportation, engineering, sustainable design concepts, help them understand the intricacies of design transit system, including road planning, station placement, and integration with other mode of transportation. This term will foster critical thinking and problem-solving skills of students. It will encourage students to identify key issues and challenges in implementing BRT system, funding, land use, political opposition, and push them to propose innovative solutions to real-world problems in urban transportation. Another objective would be to promote sustainability awareness, highlight the environmental benefits of BRT systems uh, in the context of emissions and energy consumptions. This will also foster awareness about the role of public transportation in promoting sustainable urban development and reducing carbon footprints. This is a type of interdisciplinary learning in which promote an interdisciplinary approach involving fields such as civil engineering, environmental, economic, public policy, and sociology. Encourage collaboration and understanding of how various disciplines contribute to the success of public transport system like the RT. This will also enhance technical and communication skill between the students, provide an opportunity to improve their technical report writing, presentation, and encourage students to clearly communicate complex idea and technical detail to both expert and non-expert. This will also promote practical exposure and case study analysis. Students to evaluate the success and failures of BRT projects and draw lessons that can be applied to other contexts. This would also help learning policy and economic analysis. Students will have an understanding of the economic and policy consideration, and it will encourage them to explore the cost, funding mechanism, and this policy framework needed for effective BRT implementation. It will also encourage students to innovation and future planning, require students to think about the future, encourage exploration of emerging trends. This has one more objective of social and equity consideration, social impact of BRT system, particularly improving accessibility, promote understanding of equity issues in public transportation. So these objectives align with the educational goal of developing students, analytic skills, technical proficiency, and holistic learning and understanding of sustainable transportation solutions. Now, I will discuss what should be the content of the report. First, the topic. It's all about transportation system uh, uh, that are existing in Karachi, Lahore, Multan, Rawalpindi, Peshawar. And so, since I've made around 4 or it may be 4 or more group, that's why each student has the choice to take topic of its own, and it is a group project. The content of the report, it should be minimum of 3,000 words. It should have an introduction, what are the objectives, the components of BRT system, like stations, lanes, bus, ITS, fare collection systems. The content of the report should include design and planning of BRT system, such as route design and integration with other transportation system, the benefit of BRT system in terms of environmental, economic, and social, urban planning, and operational efficiency. The report should also include the challenges and limitation by each of that BRT system that you are using or you've selected the topic, and what are the impact assessment like environmental, social, economic, and traffic. Last, I conclude that there should be recommendation for implementation, there is a conclusions, and there should be references. Now the summation, this should be a binded copy, hardly binded copy, and then students have to present some of the contents in terms of PowerPoint. The class, this presentation will be held on 29 November 24, 6 to 9. And this is also at the same day, you will submit your hard copy as well. 30 marks are relevant. Thank you very much. And by, uploading this video, I fulfill my obligation about this project. And so there should be no ambiguity from your end, understanding. And I hope you all the best for your reports. Take care.